doesn't sound quite right. I'm gonna do some digging. Are you sure that's what it says? Why don't you do some digging to confirm? So when we do some digging, we investigate. We find out whether or not something is true, or we just learn more about it so that we can uncover the truth. Mark, I need you to help me look up this information quickly. Would you mind helping me by looking up the directions? For today's lesson, we're going to learn about the phrasal verb look up. Now, this is a phrasal verb that actually can have multiple meanings, but for today, we are going to talk about it in the sense of searching for something or seeking information. So in the first example, I said, Mark, I need you to look up information for me quickly. So what do I want Mark to do? In the second example, I was asking someone to help me by looking up directions. So how do they look up directions? It's not literal, right? So this phrasal verb, we're talking about doing something where you're obtaining information. So to look up, you can think of it as to research or to search, right? So if you're looking up directions, maybe they're using Google or a navigation app, right? If I'm asking Mark to look up information, perhaps he's going on the computer or he is going and reading a book. So the idea of looking up something is you're going to search for the purpose of obtaining information. I promise we'll leave no stone unturned. I want you to find out everything. Leave no stone unturned. We must find out what happened. What do you think it means to leave no stone unturned? Well, it means to do everything you can to find out information. It can be concerning something or someone. In the case of someone, when you leave no stone unturned, you're gathering information and you're trying to find every single possible scenario or solution or problem.